So before this video gets started, if you are an Uber driver, a Lyft driver, or a gig worker and you want paid time off, if you want paid time off, sick leave, you want protection if you get into accidents, if you want income protection, if you want protection if you ever get deactivated, hospitalized, if you ever do get deactivated and you want your account back as well, there's a brand new company that just launched and they got $1.6 million in funding. They're doing same day cash transfers to drivers, to gig workers for, you know, paid time off, all that stuff. If you want that, the company's called Cover. And if you use my link down below, you get 30 days for free. It does start at $7 a month. But again, if you use my link, you get 30 days for free. No commitments, no annual contracts. You can cancel and pause at any time. The company's called Cover. At least check it out. At least click my link down below and accept that gift of 30 days for free. And now let's get on to the video. Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name is Dylan and thank you so much for coming by. So in today's video, I'm talking about why I might be quitting Uber and Lyft. If you guys haven't not been following what's going on in California, basically they're trying to make drivers employees and I'm not happy about this at all. And so much to the fact that I'm gonna quit. So if Prop 22 does not pass, I'm quitting Uber and Lyft because I simply signed up to be an Uber and Lyft driver to be an independent contractor. I want to work my own hours. I don't want to sign up for a set schedule. I'm going to throw up a screenshot here from what the Uber CEO sent me today. He told me, look at this guys. He said, explaining what Prop 22 is fighting for. I'm just gonna pull up the screenshot. Look what he said. Dylan, I wanna personally, this is what we're fighting for Prop 22. I'm not gonna go through the whole email because I wanna focus this video on why I'm personally really upset with what's going on in California right now. But look what he says. Uber would, if Prop 22 does not pass, Uber would look like every other job. You'd likely have to apply to drive. Only 10 to 30% of drivers on the road would be hired, aka full-time drivers. Most likely earnings would be fixed, schedules would be set, and using multiple apps would not be allowed. There goes this channel, the Rideshare Hub. What am I supposed to do? I'm sorry, I'm not trying to be clickbaity at all, because seriously guys, if I'm limited to, oh, Dylan, you have to drive 40 hours per week for Uber, I might honestly do that just for this channel, but, you know, because this is like my business, but like, at the same time, I don't know, like, it's just, he's trying to, I'm not, in no way this is sponsored by Uber, by the way. I know some of you guys think, oh, he works for Uber, oh, they're paying him to promote this Prop 22. Sorry, no. I want to be clear about that. They're not paying me. I'm just kind of at the point where, like, if this does pass, and I know this has almost been over a year now, where the government's trying to make drivers employees, like, I'm at the point where I'm gonna have to shift my focus, and maybe even have to give this channel over to one of our out-of-state drivers, because Jacob Letman and Greg Wave both drive in Arizona, and maybe I'll have them lead the ship on this, and you know, I'll have to just kind of manage this channel, which I don't want to do. I mean, I love, like, you guys just saw me post a video going out and doing Uber Eats with Reyes the Entrepreneur. He has over 350,000 subscribers. We met up, we did a day of doing Postmates, then we did a day of doing Uber Eats. We did the Postmates video on his channel, we did the Uber Eats video on my channel, and you know, we had a great time. We went out, we made 50 bucks, 60 bucks, 70 bucks, whatever, and it's fun. I went out and did Uber the other day, Uber driving, just to test it out. I did Postmates on my own, Uber Eats on my own, Uber Eats with my friend, Postmates with my friend. I love going out and doing these apps. And the only thing now, like, that I would be able to do is if I would have to only be a reporter on Uber, like, I would basically become a reporter, and that's not really what I made this channel for. I made this channel to share my earnings and teach drivers. I like the educational aspect of it, and if I'm not a driver, how am I going to be teaching guys how to make money? That's why I like to stay active on all the apps, so I am up to date. to be honest, I haven't driven for Lyft in a couple of months because of the lockdown and everything. I did go out and do Uber though, because I didn't want to, but I was like, I freaking have to go out and drive for Uber if I'm gonna run the rideshare hub. Like, oh, the person who runs the rideshare hub isn't an Uber driver? No, I'm an Uber driver. I went out and did Uber the other day. Like, I need to stay active on these apps, and I'm just like at a personal point in my life where like, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm thinking about starting I have a second YouTube channel. I'm gonna link my second YouTube channel down below. Please go subscribe to there. I'm gonna be making more financial videos if you guys wanna watch those. I'm gonna break down my income. I'm gonna show you guys how much I earn, how much money I spend, types of videos like that. I think I'm gonna try to do that. I think that's what I'm gonna try to do. So anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. That's the update on what's going on and how I feel about it. I wanna know how you feel. I'm definitely voting yes on Prop 22, but again, I'm only one vote. I don't know how big of an impact it is. I know Uber's saying that 70% of drivers want to keep independency, but what does the public want? This is the first time that the whole public is gonna be able to vote on this, so I don't know, does the public even care about this issue? I'm not really sure. So yeah, we'll see you guys. Until next time, have a great day, and wow, I'll keep you guys updated. Thanks for watching. Please hit the thumbs up button, I would really appreciate that, and subscribe for more update videos. Bye guys, love you.